Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Git on Debian 11.3. Git is a free and open source software for tracking changes and can also be used to store content. It is permanent version control system that handles numerous codes by maintaining the history and also possesses a remote repository. The main objective is to provide speed and integrity to the data. First, I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Now I am currently in normal user. Next, I am going to switch to root user by using su command. Enter the password. Now I move to the root user. Next, now I am going to update the repositories. After update the repositories, next install the Git by using following commands. After install the Git, next check the downloaded Git version by using following commands. The Git version for 2.30.2. Next, now I am going to create a global username by using following commands. Enter the username. After creating the username, next again create the email ID for the username. Global user mail. Enter the mail address. Next, open the configuration file to view the created username and email address. So this is for created username and email address. Then save and exit. Finally, I am going to list the configuration file by using following commands. Listed for the Git configuration username and email address. So this is the step you can follow for the how to install Git on Debian version 11.3 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.